Have you ever felt an unbearable pain in your lumbar? Did you know that it might be a sign of kidney stones? Some women say even that the pain of a stone moving is as painful as childbirth. Can you imagine it? When a kidney stone moves to the bladder or through the urethra, it is common to feel a sharp, unilateral pain in the lumbar that radiates to the lower abdomen. Some men may experience testicle pain, while women may feel pain in the labia. Besides pain, some other symptoms can also be signals that you have kidney stones. If you want to learn about these signs, check the video at the end of this one. Did you know that the kidneys are one of our most important organs? They maintain the general functioning of the body and protect us from many illnesses by eliminating unnecessary residues through urine. Any illnesses related to the kidneys have the potential to be serious. Some healthier habits are necessary if you want to avoid complications, starting with what you eat. A diet rich in antioxidants is essential to keep your kidneys working, as they help neutralize free radicals and protect the body against inflammations. Check out some kidney-friendly foods. Garlic. Garlic is an excellent choice to flavor your foods and a salt substitute. If you have kidney issues, then you know that you have to avoid salt. Diversify the fruits, vegetables, and green leaves you eat. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. To not lose any of these properties, opt for steaming your veggies or eating them raw. Olive oil. Olive oil is a source of healthy fats and is low in phosphorus. It is an excellent choice if you suffer from kidney damage, and is also super healthy and adds a delicious flavor to your dishes. Orange, lemon, and melon. The citrate found in oranges and lemons prevents crystal formation in the kidneys. According to experts, eating these fruits help prevent and treat cases of kidney stones. You can also drink their juices. Melon is another option, and 2 slices a day are enough to get the same benefits. Blueberry. Blueberries are full of nutrients and are a source of antioxidants, which protect not only the kidney but also the heart. With low levels of sodium, blueberries are great for anyone with kidney stones. Eat more legumes. Beans and other legumes, like peas, lentils, and chickpea, are rich in iron and should be eaten at least once a day. Eat something rich in vitamin C right after eating a legume, since this vitamin potentializes iron absorption. Egg white. Egg whites are great for our health. Although the yolk is also good, it contains a lot of phosphorus, which isn't very good for the kidneys. The whites are also a source of protein. Isn't it amazing? Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutritious vegetable rich in vitamin C, K, and B complex. It is naturally anti-inflammatory and a source of fiber. Drink plenty of liquids. Drinking water helps dilute the substances that cause kidney stones. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water daily. On hotter days, it is necessary to keep yourself hydrated during exercises or any activities that cause perspiration. To monitor your hydration, keep an eye on your urine, which should be clear. Yellow urine is a signal that you need more liquids. Eating 5 or 6 meals a day can help your kidneys, as well as reducing your salt and sugar intake, avoiding alcohol and soda, and maintaining a healthy weight. When in doubt, talk to a health professional to help you. If you already had kidney stones, share with us what you did and which foods you ate to take care of the issue. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.